ABC. My name's Beth Lang and my company is Alexa's Angels, and I want to introduce you to all the angels. I think we would be great on Shark Tank, and I would absolutely love the opportunity. Come on, Theaners. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Theaners. Morning, Rose.
Morning.
All right. First off, we have to put our lunch away and get our coffee. So here's the kitchen. That was shipping and receiving. Hey, DT.
Morning. You look super cute.
I know. Thank you. Alexa did my eyes.
Oh, they look great.
Yeah. Okay, so next we're going to go meet Darcy. We create these really cool messages that people can use as like a wearable reminder. So one of our best products, best-selling products, and one of my favorite, I wear them all the time, is our positivity bracelet. So I think if we demonstrate it and show it to you, you might get a little better idea. So go ahead, Darcy.
So I have a set right here. They come as a set of 3 with the carding attached to it. It says positivity bracelets on the top, and when you open up the little carding, it says attitude is a choice, everyone loves a gift, and positivity is contagious. Keep one bracelet for yourself and share the others with loved ones, friends, or even strangers. Be positive, pass it on, and have fun. Love the angels.
And there's also a blog attached to it, which is kind of fun. We created this shareyourpositivity.org that is actually inscribed on the back of the bracelet, and you go onto this website and thousands of people have logged on and they've posted their positive sentiments, they've posted how they've got their bracelet, how they gave their bracelet. We come up with the message and what we want it to mean, and then we translate that into jewelry. The product that launched our company about 10 years ago are the prayer box bracelets. And the history of this company is, you know, my mom and I were making angel pins for like craft shows, and she was working full-time, I was having babies, and we made some angel pins. My dad had been in the hospital. These are our catalogs. This was our January catalog. This is actually Alexa, if you can believe that. This was Alexa when the company was launched. She was 2, and when we were doing angel pins, and we had this little picture, it's an oxymoron, you know, at the time, Alexa's Angels. Well, now she's 17, and she made the cover this year. So, you know, we take a lot of pride in our catalogs and our products, and, you know, people look at this kind of stuff and they think, you know, we're this giant $20 or $30 million company, and we're not.
So Darcy, what do your friends and family think of this business and Alexa's Angels product?
Whenever anybody hears about what I do and the culture, they instantly want to be involved.
All of us wear a lot of hats, so I'm going to introduce you to Linda.
So this is a financial question with the Money Angel.
Yes, thought this was appropriate.
How much money do you need from investors, and what percentage of your company are you willing to give up?
Probably the answer is 20% for about $500,000 is what I truly kind of feel would get us to the next level. If someone offers me $20 million for my company,
with blue sky, we have great blue sky.
Yeah, we might just go ahead and do that.
And how would your money be used?
For $500,000, I would say developing distribution channels such as our consumer website. Right now we're pretty much B2B, so we sell to little gift stores, we sell to Hallmark stores, hospital gift stores, and to break into the B2C market would be, I think, a really great opportunity for us to move to the next level and to just sort of diversify our channels a little bit. So
I have one more question. Do you have product that is fully patented, patent pending, or trademarks?
we do. We have
a lot, and we have the bills to pay for it. I have lots of attorney's fees.
It's very expensive. So what is Alexa's Angels? Alexa's Angels is a amazing company with a great company culture that creates amazing product, and the product we create is inspirational jewelry and messages. We sell mostly to the specialty retail channel, 99%. We have a consumer website.
So what is the goal, the upcoming goal for Alexa's Angels?
You know, the fact that I can get up every morning and make a product that I really believe is good for people is the goal.
What's been your biggest challenge so far?
Without some infusion of cash at some point, it is really, really hard to move to the next level. So in a nutshell, we are the world's best company at creating meaningful messages that we put on jewelry.